Good morning, traders. You are welcome to today's Trade Ideas Signal. So we'll be starting where we left off with our episodes. And this morning, the only difference is that I dropped some trade through picture as I can't record video. So I did some analysis with this particular level that we have here. So I did some analysis and drop the, what is it called? The trade idea through picture or across our channels. So, but after that, I still have some trade that is running, especially from this particular level here. And I wasn't on chart to take this particular trade. So this morning, what we're going to do is to take the analysis together and try to see what we can capitalize on in the market. So we remove everything, take a share and reach out to the something. So from our previous analysis, let's just start from daily. We've studied all these legs that we have here, and this is the particular leg that we are picking our trades from. So what we're going to do, we are already at the end of the month, and today is 26 out of, I think, 28 days of February. So if we have it that way, then we only have 3 days daily. Let's see, we have uh, let's see monthly. Let's see how many days is left. Then 2 days, 15 hours for the monthly counter to close. So starting from monthly that we have here, let's just let's start from monthly. So we have this particular level, which is our previous month high, and this one to be our previous so PML. And we can see that the February candle is still an inside bar candle and it's yet to take liquidity from either side of the candle. So we can still be anticipating higher price within the little days that is left in month of February. So we can be expecting higher price for this particular level to be taken out of the market. So at least, or except February want to be an inside bar candle. So, but from what we are seeing on weekly, as you can see, previous weekly high was taken and previous weekly low was protected. So if we are to go by that now, then automatically we can see, like I discussed in previous videos, that okay, this we are within range for the past few months. So let's try and use our structure on daily to see what we can quickly capitalize on. So, we've discussed how money was being shifted from this particular leg into this leg, and we talk about the shift that we have here that give us a TC here. So let's just quickly put that into so here it automatically becomes a strong low, a major strong low. And we have TC a trend change. We have a trend change there. And even though we have a trend change, this particular leg is yet to be broken. So if that's the case, then automatically we just have to be very, very careful within the market. But we've capitalized on this particular leg that we have it. And I believe I took 1 to 5. So that should leverage whatever trades I'm taking again from that something. The gain should leverage every trade, every other trade. So if at all it didn't go the way we expect, then automatically we still be on the profitable side. So here becomes our TC, which is structure break, because this particular leg that we have here suppose send price low from this breaker block. It's supposed to send price lower because this particular leg take liquidity out of this level and it send price lower, and this is the leg that sponsor it. and we can see a reaction from that breaker block, sending price lower. But it didn't take any liquidity yet. It just reversed, which give us a shift in the market. And that give us a major MSS in the market. So here becomes our weak high. And as we can see, the weak high has been taken. The weak high has been taken. So if weak high has been taken, but it's yet to be closed above. So that's our weak high. It has been taken, but we are yet to break that structure because the market is still trading below, but we can see the liquidity above it has been taken. So, so that's our higher high. So we are still within this. We are still within this particular range. The liquidity above this level has been taken, and the market is yet to close above it. So if we have this kind of scenario in the market, what are we expecting? We might be expecting a reversal. But what will justify the reversal that we might be expecting is this particular leg being broken. So if this leg, this one can serve as a potential strong glue. For now, it will still be serving in the purpose of strong glue, which we'll be expecting market to protect because it's the one that sponsored the liquidity that is being taken from this particular high. So if that's the case, then automatically we didn't have market close above that high. But we talk about a monthly, previous month. This is our previous monthly candle, which is January candle. And we are expecting the liquidity above this high to be taken, except we want to have inside bar. And for market to reverse and take out this liquidity and change the market direction within 14 hours plus 2 days, yeah, the probability of that is slim. But nonetheless, anything can happen in the market. But before we go on to justify that, let's just try and see the news that we have. So if there we have some high impact news within the next 2 days, then automatically anything can happen. So the last 2 days, February 28th, there is a lot of high impact news. See how even from Germany, there are a lot. Germany, France, even United States, there are some high impact news that will be coming out in the last 2 days of this month. So anything can happen. We have to trade with caution. We have to trade with caution. So we have this to be a strong low, which is potential strong low, and also potential TC trend change. This can because with the way we are having this week high being traded around, then automatically we can be anticipating that we're going to have price is going to be sent lower. So, but we can still be capitalizing on our long. Then when we see something on lower time frame that justify ourselves, then we will shift gear to the right side of the market. But staying on the right side of the market, this still strong low, then we'll be expecting our price to close above this level. And as we can see, this is daily. This is daily. So now moving on to 4 hour, let's see what as you can see, the market did not just close above it appropriately. And from what we have here, we have this internal structure being traded around. And I think I take some trade around here. And I have my trade going on from this particular level. I forget to just take this trade. Uh, I overlooked it, but it's worked perfectly. But that's it's part of the game anyway. So now, with what we have here now, let's study and not use what I've personally checked on my own something. So now, from this strong low that we have, potential strong low, but at the same time, we can still count it to be a strong low on 4 hour. So if it is a strong low on 4 hour, then automatically we can be looking forward to taking some advantage of long from this level that we have here. So these are long, strong low on 4 hour, still a strong low. So here becomes our weak eye, which was taken. Here becomes our weak eye. This 4 hour trade is our 4 hour trade weak eye. So we have this level to be our strong eye to on 4 hour. These are the smaller time frame. These are smaller time frame, something. Then here becomes our weak eye. But we can see the way market is gyrating at all this level. So this is 4 hour trade. And if we have this 4 hour trade, the only thing that we have from this particular level, consider this strong low was protected. And the reversal that we have here did not break below this strong low. So we can still be capitalizing on this particular level. But for the price actions that we are seeing from this particular level here, we can be sure that, okay, we might be having some reaction from that place. So if at all, without stressing ourselves, without doing over analysis, there is a particular level that I'm seeing here within this our range. This is our potential range, and as we can see, if market is gyrating this way, it might be gathering energy and gathering order to go higher or go lower. So anything can happen from this particular level. Don't forget that our weak eye on daily did not get closed above. And this is just 4 hour structure within structure. So this is an internal structure to daily. So within this structure, if we go to find something to capitalize on, we can just take from this particular level. But from what we are having here, so if I thought if we're going to be taking any long, this will be my potential place to take my long from. And mind you, anything can still happen within this leg here. It can still reverse and take us out of the market. But nonetheless, we try and we still go lower. But what I'm saying here, I can personally put a trade, a long position trade on this particular level that is here, which is 24 pips trade. Stop loss, then that would be 120. 120 pips return. That's 1 to 5. You can reduce it to because there are high impact news that is coming within the market. So all these things can be gyrating to give us a very higher price from analysis. So if I thought if we're going to be taking the trade, so it can just be like this. And just be taking this 1 to 5. If market is going, what is it called? Is giving us, it's going to give us an higher price. It will close above, then we can reduce it to 1 to 3. If I see 1 to 3 and whatever the market is doing within the whatever the price is doing within the market, then maybe I can close it as 1 to 3. But I'll be leaving it as 1 to 5. Because my theory is very simple that every level, every supporting level or resisting level must be able to replicate itself in 5 places. And this is the other block we are picking from this range. So it's the other block that stand out on this 4 hour range. Let's go to 1 hour, try to see what we can still capitalize on. So this happens to be our trend. And from this particular leg, this leg that we have here, this leg that we have here, there is something that is going on within this particular level. If we are to study it on a minor structure, then here becomes our minor low. This is what's send the price up. So here becomes our minor low. Just to pick this something, minor strong low, then minor weak high. So minor weak high, and it has been taken and closed above. Then where the leg that close it, then this becomes the leg that closed the something that close above. But it has the leg that sponsor it. But what do we have? We have flip. Minor is a minor flip, sorry. We have a minor flip within that particular place. Then within minor flip, what are we looking for? A breaker block. So that's the primary block. And because we've gotten a flip, this particular range is supposed to send price even higher. But as we can see, it got broken without hesitation. It just moved, sweep below it, and just continue to trade lower. So this is the level that we have within the market. And if you check well, there is little fair value gap that we have within this level here. So FVG, this little FVG, we can be using this FVG to pick our trade. As you can see, the breaker block still trade below. I mean, align perfectly with the 50% of the F fair value gap that we have. So as we can see from this particular level, we have this. So if we want to be taking any trades, I can be having a minor structure shorts from this level here. And let's make it 10 pips stop loss. And we can be taking just 3 to 4 from the something. Okay, so we are taking 3 to 4, 1 to 4 in the market from this particular level. But personally, I'm just going to be going with 1 to 3 because I don't want it to negate my trade. So I'll be going with 1 to 3. Be going with 1 to 3 so that at least we will not contradict ourselves. Because this particular level can just get out, but I'm expecting it to react into this particular level that we have here. But whatever the case may be, so if whichever one wins, either bull or bear. So whichever one wins this race within this level, because these are determining level here, this strong level. Once it is broken, I'm shorting straight. I'm shorting because anything can happen within the market. So if this particular level is being broken down and close below, I'm shifting gear. So what I'll be anticipating that with this my little short here, 1 to 3 ARA, but I'll still be holding on to this my 1 to 5 here. So this will be my trade for today and for this week, for the remaining days of the month, sha. So we'll be anticipating some things in the market. So whichever means I'll come and update us. So either through New York session, we'll try and see what's going to happen. Don't forget we're at the end of the month. Anything can happen. And this February candle can remain an inside bar, or it can just take a previous monthly high. Anything can happen. Our own is not to predict. We have to follow whatever price is doing. So we let the price lead, then we follow. Thank you. That will be my trade for today. Have a profitable day. I enjoy yourself. Thank you.